An Americano might sound complicated, but it is simply hot water with espresso. Americanos were created in Italy for American soldiers in the Second World War because the drink is similar to drip coffee that's popular in the United States. To create your own Americano, use an espresso machine or AeroPress to make the espresso. Slowly pour it over hot water and enjoy it immediately. Grind and measure the espresso beans. You get the best flavor from your beans if you grind them at home. Use a very fine setting specifically for espresso. The espresso grounds should be much finer than the grounds for drip coffee. Measure out 18 to 21 grams, 0.63 to 0.74 ounces, 3 to 4 tablespoons, for a double shot of espresso. You can also purchase a ready ground espresso or buy whole beans and ask the baristas to grind it for espresso. Use the tamper to evenly press down on the espresso. This will pack it firmly into the portafilter. If the espresso grounds are too loose, the espresso will run out of the machine too quickly and the flavors won't develop. Insert the portafilter into the espresso machine. Quickly turn the espresso machine's group head on and off so hot water drips right out of the machine. Do this before you put the group head with the espresso into it. This will ensure that the machine is clean and ready to go. Insert the portafilter into the group head and twist it firmly into place. Stop the espresso after 23 to 28 seconds. You notice that the espresso will begin to look thin or lighter in color. At this point, you can stop pulling the espresso. The entire process should take about 23 to 28 seconds for a double shot. You can now use the espresso in your Americano. Fill the serving cup with hot water. Fill your serving cup with as much water as you'd like. Generally, this is around 2 parts of water to 1 part of espresso. Keep in mind that the more water you use, the weaker the Americano will be, especially if you plan on adding milk or cream. If you're serving an Americano to someone, ask if they'd like you to leave room for cream or sugar. If so, ensure that you leave space in the cup. To keep all of the crema intact, you can place the serving cup with hot water directly under the espresso as it drips out of the machine. You can also add syrups or flavors to the Americano. For a sweet Americano, you can even top it with whipped cream.